Today's trading was representative of the indecisiveness that has occurred in the markets now for the past 3 weeks and for the past 3 months, where we've just been moving sideways with no real conviction with one direction or another. However, you can see there is kind of a wedge formation forming in the Dow. This allows for the prospects of seeing whether they're going to break to the upside or break to the downside. When they do, coming out of a wedge formation, it's usually a substantial move. At the same time, the Dow has been moving sideways, slightly down. The NASDAQ has been moving sideways, slightly up, and very slightly. So this really represents that there isn't any major change of market direction. It's just shifting from sector to sector at any given time. Fortunately, with candlestick analysis, we can see which sectors are acting the strongest. That same analysis can be applied to the crude oil chart. Notice the wedge formation, and when they broke it to the upside, it's been a good, consistent uptrend. With that in place, that's been allowing a lot of the oil stocks to act strong. So this is just kind of a indication of which sector money is probably going to be flowing to. We can see the same example in Whiting Petroleum, where kind of having a big bullish signal. They broke through the 200. The T-line is in a steady uptrend. They've been using the 200 as support. And you got kind of a big fry pan bottom action going, where if they start breaking out, this stock could get back up into the $12, $14 range. At the same time, we've been consistently long on Ren ever since it did a J-hook pattern and broke out through this little fry pan bottom. It's been in a steady uptrend, staying above the T-line. The graphics of candlesticks allows investors to identify which sectors are acting the strongest and be able to put a little bit more heavier emphasis of their portfolio in those sectors. And it doesn't have to be oriented towards sectors. If you can see patterns setting up, even when the market's moving sideways, we can see this big fry pan bottom that set up in TSEM, causing our recommendation over the last couple of days. If you take the pattern and you apply individual stock signals, like our little bullish engulfing left-right combo right off the 200, followed by a doji sandwich, which is merely a big candle, a doji, followed by another big candle with a doji sandwiched in between, which usually implies there's going to be more upside. And if that implication of more upside kind of confirms the fact that you've got a fry pan bottom in place, that just puts you in high probability trade setups. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.